special guest star. She returned just to say hi. Couldn't get her to get a weed eater.
Well, now I'm saying bye.
See you later.
See ya.
So we just got through mowing this one. Tracy is blowing off. Doing some rock and stuff out here. There's some new rock down. Living mulch.
It's just really nice and peaceful out here.
Pretty big job. I'm not doing it. Someone else is. Always got her glasses on top of her head. So hey guys, thanks for joining us. We're out here doing a little bit of mowing again, like we normally are. I had help, and I don't know if he's gonna be able to make it or not. He said he was about to have heat stroke today, so it's not that hot, but we'll see. The first guy, I think I mentioned on the other video, like a couple of weeks ago, he worked about 2.5 days of the week, and that was all for him. So I'm trying someone else. He's had to go home already, so we'll see how this works out. But we appreciate you stopping by. Thanks. So it's the next day. So the new guy didn't work out. I didn't think he would, but so he's already quit, and we're out here mowing. Tracy has decided she's going to help me some of the, at least 2 or 3 days a week, maybe. And she's doing travel nurse and stuff. It's a local thing. So she's going to work a couple shifts a week on that and spend the rest of the time helping me, which I really appreciate. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome. What are we cutting this one
on? 3 1/4 on this one. Should be what you're on. We'll probably film in a different one. Just want to let you know on that one. Starting to look bad out here. Ain't supposed to rain though. So I put my sunglasses on because it's so bright out here. But thanks for coming along, watching, liking, subscribing. We really do appreciate it. And hopefully, maybe later this year I can get some help. But in the meantime, like I was saying earlier, Tracy's going to be helping me 2 to 3 days a week.
Started saying, am I not good enough?
Well, you are good enough. I just hate for you to have to do it. I know you got nursing and stuff to do.
I don't mind.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Well, thank you guys. See you later.